Hello and welcome to House Lux Estate, your #1 channel for all things finance and investment. Here at House Lux Estate, we strive to empower you with insightful and detailed content designed to demystify the world of finance, investments, and real estate. Whether you're an industry veteran or just dipping your toes into the financial waters, we've got something for you. Stay tuned as we delve into today's topic: 10 things you need to know before becoming a venture capitalist. First off, what exactly is venture capital? Venture capital is a form of private equity financing that is provided by venture capital firms or funds to startups, early stage, and emerging companies that have been deemed to have high growth potential. It's the rocket fuel that propels these companies towards their growth trajectories, and it's a vital part of our modern business ecosystem. Venture capital isn't just about the money, though. It's also about the guidance and expertise that venture capitalists bring to the table. They don't just invest their capital, they invest their time and knowledge. They help shape the direction of the company, making strategic decisions and providing invaluable advice. Why is venture capital a sought-after career choice? Well, it's challenging, exciting, and rewarding. There's the thrill of discovering the next big thing, the satisfaction of seeing your investment grow, and the potential for significant financial returns. Now that you understand what venture capital is, let's explore what you need to know before becoming a venture capitalist. 1. Risk tolerance. Venture capital is all about risks. As you dive headfirst into the world of venture capitalism, it's like stepping into a sea of uncertainty. But don't let that intimidate you, because risk tolerance, in essence, is about how comfortable you are with the possibility of loss. It's about making peace with the fact that the startup you've invested in might not yield the returns you expected. In this high-stakes game, your ability to tolerate risk could mean the difference between success and failure. Because when you invest in a startup, you're betting on its future. You're betting on its potential to disrupt markets and create value. And that's what makes venture capitalism so exhilarating. It's not just about the money. It's about the thrill of discovering the next big thing. It's about the satisfaction of knowing that you had a hand in its success. But remember, risk tolerance is not about being reckless. It's about being calculated. As a venture capitalist, you must be ready to take calculated risks. 2. Networking. It's not just about the money. Venture capitalism is a game where relationships matter as much as, if not more than, financial acumen. Why, you ask? Well, the answer lies in the power of connections. In this dynamic world of ours, it's not always what you know, but who you know. Your next big investment opportunity might just come from a casual conversation at a tech conference or a recommendation from a trusted colleague. Building solid relationships with entrepreneurs, fellow investors, and industry influencers can open doors to exclusive deals that aren't publicly advertised. A strong network can also provide invaluable insights and advice that can help guide your investment decisions. But remember, networking is not just about taking, it's about giving as well. By offering your expertise and resources, you can foster mutually beneficial relationships that last. So in the realm of venture capitalism, never underestimate the power of a handshake, an introduction, or a friendly chat over coffee. Remember, your network is your net worth. 3. Industry knowledge. You need to know your stuff. When we say industry knowledge, we're not talking about a passing familiarity with the latest buzzwords. We're talking about a deep, nuanced understanding of the sectors you're investing in. You should be able to discuss current trends, identify emerging opportunities, and predict potential challenges. It's about more than just reading industry reports or attending conferences. It's about engaging with thought leaders, debating with peers, and constantly challenging your own assumptions. It's about staying updated, not just on the what, but on the why and how. Remember, the industry is always evolving. The most successful venture capitalists are those who can anticipate these changes, rather than just reacting to them. They are the ones who can spot the next big thing before it becomes the next big thing. In the world of venture capitalism, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. Knowledge is power in venture capitalism. 4 and 5, patience and exit strategy. These are key to your success. In the world of venture capitalism, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a necessity. You're not just planting a seed, you're nurturing a forest. And forests don't grow overnight. It's about understanding that the fruits of your investments may take years, even decades to mature. It's about the calm endurance of waiting for the right moment, the right opportunity, and the right return on your investment. On the other hand, an exit strategy is like a map. It ensures you have a planned route to leave an investment should the need arise. It's not about pessimism, it's about preparedness. Whether it's through an initial public offering, a merger, or a sale, having a well-thought-out exit strategy acts as your safety net. So remember, in the realm of venture capitalism, patience isn't just about waiting, it's about waiting wisely. And your exit strategy? Well, it's your way out when the going gets tough. Patience is a virtue, and exit strategies are a must in venture capitalism. 6 and 7, legal knowledge and ethics. These make you credible. Diving into the world of venture capitalism, it's crucial to arm yourself with a sound understanding of legal matters related to investments. This isn't just about knowing the ins and outs of contracts, but also about understanding laws and regulations that govern venture capitalism. It's about being able to navigate legal complexities and protect your interests and those of your investors. Moving on to ethics. These are the guiding principles that maintain the integrity of your operations. Venture capitalism isn't just about making money, it's about creating value ethically. This means respecting confidentiality, avoiding conflicts of interest, and ensuring fair dealings in all your transactions. Ethical practices build trust and foster long-term relationships with investors and entrepreneurs alike. In the grand scheme of things, your legal knowledge and ethical standards become your credibility badge in the venture capital industry. Remember, legal knowledge and ethics are non-negotiable in venture capitalism. 8 and 9, assessment skills and people skills. These make you effective. First up, let's talk about assessment skills. To truly excel as a venture capitalist, you must be able to evaluate potential investments accurately. This requires a keen understanding of business models, financials, and market trends. You're like a detective, piecing together the clues to determine if a startup has the potential to succeed or is just a well-orchestrated pipe dream. Now, on to people skills. In this line of work, it's not just about numbers and projections. You're dealing with people, passionate entrepreneurs, savvy investors, and potential partners. Understanding them, managing their expectations, building trust, and fostering relationships are all part of the game. Communication is key, and so is empathy. After all, a venture capitalist without people skills is like a ship without a rudder, directionless and prone to disaster. In venture capitalism, people skills and assessment skills are your tools of the trade. 10. Passion. It fuels your venture capitalism journey. It's the fuel that keeps your engine running, even when the road gets tough. It's the spark that ignites your drive, the fire that keeps you pushing forward, even when the odds are stacked against you. In venture capitalism, passion is more than just a buzzword. It's an integral part of the job. It's what keeps you up late at night, analyzing market trends and studying industry reports. It's what gets you up early in the morning, eager to meet with promising entrepreneurs and explore new opportunities. Passion is what makes you resilient, helping you to bounce back from failed investments and learn from your mistakes. It's what makes you persistent, pushing you to keep going, to keep investing, to keep striving for success. Without passion, venture capitalism can become a grueling, thankless task. But with it, it can become a thrilling, rewarding career. Passion is the driving force in venture capitalism. Let's recap what you need to know before becoming a venture capitalist. We began by understanding what venture capital is all about. It's a high-risk, high-reward game that requires a certain level of risk tolerance. This is not for the faint-hearted, but for those who can stomach the ups and downs of startups. Next, we delved into the importance of networking. Building relationships is key to finding promising startups and gaining access to exclusive deals. Then, we explored the need for industry knowledge. A successful venture capitalist has a deep understanding of the sectors they invest in, keeping up with trends and innovations. We also underscored the significance of patience and a sound exit strategy. And venture capitalism is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and a well-planned exit strategy to realize returns. Moving on, we highlighted the vital role of legal knowledge and ethics. Understanding legal terms and maintaining ethical standards helps protect your investments and reputation. Then we discussed the value of assessment skills and people skills. Being able to evaluate a startup's potential and connecting with founders on a personal level can make or break investment decisions. Lastly, we emphasized that passion is the fuel that drives a venture capitalist. Loving what you do will help you weather the challenges and celebrate the victories. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, Do subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful content. Until next time, keep investing.